Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I tap, as you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that Google Autofill is completely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!